YouTube. I'm gonna show you today. I've got the smart lock, so I'm gonna take it off. It's there. Yeah, it got the battery case cover. Triple A battery, and you got the button to unlock that one, this one, yeah, and then press the lock. They got LED light indicate, so this one it's kind of annoying, so pretty good. And we got here password, you can create your own password, and you can scan if you got the app barcode or whatever. So yeah, let's start it. I'll show you. Okay, battery. Yeah, when I put the battery, you will hear beep beep, like maybe 2 or 3 times, I guess. No, okay. But I already set it up, so I'll just show you guys. Okay, let me put. Oh my god. Anyway, leave it off a second. Okay, 1 second. That's a press lock. Anyway, go back. And you can see they indicate the green or blue. So when you tap, you can hear beep beep. That's me. The blue ones are unlocked. So you can unclip. See, it's come up. Then press. Then tap. That's locked. So yeah, so someone trying to say that that's nothing yet because I haven't turned off the vibration yet. So if I turn off, it will like go on alarm. So yeah, pretty like it, this stuff. Smart lock. So someone cut this, it will alarm go on this. Pretty mad though. Yeah, because you need it. Go to App Store, Play Store. Type like SLB lock power and store, so you can open it. This is connections file, whatever it is, and successfully. When you tap, you can unlock by your phone or auto unlock. That's auto unlock. Already unlocked. And vibration. This one, you can change your password, new password. Go back, you can change your smart lock, whatever you like the name. Yeah, that's about it. If you got another device, you can scan that one there, but I don't need it. So yeah, hope you enjoy.